Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Big E with Italiachains. And today we have a very special review. And right now, guys, there's nothing in front of me. And that's because the piece that we are reviewing is a piece that I like to wear almost every day. And lo and behold, it is the Italiachains Moissanite and Rose large Hamsa. And guys, do I absolutely love this thing. I have this beautiful large Hamsa pendant that I am wearing right now, which I absolutely love. This is definitely a daily wear piece for me. It's something that is comfortable around neck. I'm actually rocking it with my Italiachains Cuban that I have on right here. I believe this is a 10 millimeter that I have on, and this thing in itself is amazing on neck, just super high quality. And as you guys know from a lot of my previous reviews, Italiachains was in the wholesale business forever. They kind of have the lead on the quality goods. They were one of the first ones that were actually wholesaling moissanite to a lot of the major companies that you guys see today. So that being said, when it comes down to quality, you are just not getting much better than this. And I am super excited, again, to show you guys this pendant right here, because boy, does this thing shine, and do I get a lot of compliments on it. So with that, guys, let me get my chain off neck. And by the way, speaking of the Cuban chain, we're gonna get into another review on this Cuban coming up soon. But let me get this off neck right now, and let's take a look down. Take a look at this. Look at the shine on this Hamsa. And listen, guys, I'm not big on religious pendants. A Hamsa is more of a universal, spiritual type of thing. At least in my books, you see all religions, race, creeds, color, everyone wearing Hamsas. LeBron wears Hamsas all the time. So, you know, I like it. I like the design. I like the way that they look. And man, this one, like I said, I mean, with this rose detail right here, I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at that beautiful rose detail that's outlining the Hamsa right there. And those stones, guys, they are set absolutely beautifully. I mean, look how tight those stones are set, and look at the shine on these things. If we turn this over on the back, you have that crisscross back, which is just kind of a very common thing on any pendant that you have. So you have that crisscross back there, which I personally happen to love. And then you have this iced out clasp. So guys, this is definitely gonna look good with chains, and this is a large clasp. As you guys can see right there, I know it might not translate on camera. Pause with my finger right there in the hole like that. You guys can think what you want, but you can fit a big chain onto this thing. So yeah, guys, this thing is absolutely beautiful. Let's get a quick weight on it here. Let's get this on scale, and we are at 42.65 grams. So guys, this is a perfect daily wear right here. 42 grams is absolutely wonderful. Here is my diamond tester. Let's get this warmed up, the good old-fashioned Presidium, guys. And I do not joke around when it comes to my diamond testers. This is a very expensive diamond tester. A lot of people you'll see walking around with those diamond testers that, you know, you get at the dollar store, and they just go beep beep beep, the kind of diamond testers that you have where people are just walking around in the mall with them. With this, you are always gonna get a proper reading. This test moissanite, this test lab, and as I'm saying that, you see the light go solid. And let us hit this chain. Boom. Look at that right there. And you know what, guys? They were hitting, when the diamond tester goes up like that and flashes, it just means that it's hitting. But in order to get that solid hit like that, you got to get right into that stone just like that. But guys, listen, this thing hits right away. I wouldn't expect anything less. Italiachains has that crazy quality. You guys saw this on neck already because I began it with this around neck. But guys, if you were looking to pick up a pendant and you want something that's going to be comfortable, that's going to be a nice everyday wear, and that you can pair with a nice rose gold chain, this is it right here, guys. And as you can tell, you know what, let me give you, before we get out of here, guys, let me just give you a quick measurement on this, just so I can show you how many inches this thing is. And here we go. If you go down with the pendant all the way over here, we are probably looking at about 3 inches all said and done. Actually 3.5 inches. So guys, from the top of the bail to the bottom of the pendant, we're looking at 3.5 inches, and without the bail it's 2.5 inches. So you have a 3.5 inch pendant right here. This has been the quick review of the large Hamsa pendant. I definitely give this my big E seal of approval. Beautiful, beautiful pendant. And guys, just a sneak peek, I cannot wait until the next review, and I'm going to show you guys this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful rose gold Miami Cuban. This has been the full review of the Italiachains Hamsa pendant. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think of this piece. Let me know if you think this thing is something that you would rock, if it's something that you would pass on, if you guys have Hamsas, or if you're feeling rose gold. Listen, guys, silver right now is crazy. It is through the roof. As of the time of me making this video right now, it hit $50 a gram. So guys, besides the fact that this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful piece, this is also an investment around your neck, and you are only getting this at Italiachains. So with that, guys, again, this has been the review of our large Hamsa pendant. This has been your boy Big E, and I am out. Peace.